Hello. Now I will show you how to easily create a payment invoice on the Fondy platform. After registering a merchant account on the Fondy portal, go to the Payment Solutions tab in the left sidebar and select Invoice from the drop-down menu. Click the Create First Link button. In the next menu, we can see the Payment Settings tab, where you need to fill in the following fields. Merchant. If multiple merchants are registered, select the required one. Invoice name. Enter a name, for example, Bill. Payment amount. Set payment amount and currency. In my case, I will choose the amount 200. And in the currency section, we have more than 150 currencies available. I will choose pounds. Optional fields. Payer name. Enter the payer's name. For example, John Peterson. Payer phone number. Enter the payer's phone number. Purpose of payment. Specify the payment purpose. For example, I write consultancy services. After filling in the details, click Create Invoice to generate a payment link. It's optional, but I want to show you additional features, so click Next Step. If we go to Optional Settings, a tab will appear where we can configure the following functions. Expiry date time. After expire date, payers won't be able to pay with Invoice. Checkout design ID. Choose the design option you like. You can create multiple designs and select the one you need. Checkout language. You can set checkout language preferences for clients. Additional data. You can send additional data to this field and we'll see them in reports. Product ID. You can add your internal product ID and we'll see this in reports. Custom features in the Additional Fields tab. You can further configure fields such as text field, email, website URL, numeric, decimal. After clicking the Create Invoice button, in the next tab, we see a ready-made payment invoice. Here is what it looks like. Pretty nice, isn't it? In the language field, you can select the invoice display language for the recipient and immediately send it by filling in the email field. Or you can send it via your favorite messenger, such as Telegram, Viber, Facebook Messenger, Skype. Here's what the checkout menu looks like, but if you wish, you can easily customize it to your preferences. That's how easily we create a payment invoice in just a few clicks. Subscribe to our channel to stay updated on all the platform's features and never miss an update. Thanks for watching. Bye.